Our coverage of CES 2025 is brought to you by Alessum and Hushed. Thanks to them, we can actually afford Las Vegas food prices. Is it just me, or has AMD gotten a bit more, complacent in the last year? And then they released a brand new 9800 X3D, which has made all the ill will go away. And the good thing is that at CES, they pretty much doubled down on everything that works, including 2 new X3D SKUs, the 9950 X3D, so yeah, that's a 16-core 3D V-cache CPU, plus a 9900 X3D as well. Both of those are coming in Q1 of 2025, and while they have shown exactly how powerful it is against last-gen X3D SKUs, there hasn't been too much talk or too many slides about how these higher core variants compare against the king of gaming, the 9800 X3D. And then of course there's the big one, and that's that 3D V-cache is also finally coming to laptops as well. So I guess there's only one place we can go from here. So X3D consoles, anyone? Then there's a brand new Kraken Point, Ryzen AI, and yes, that's still a very, very dumb name for mobile CPUs. Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 5 CPUs there. Expected to drop in Q1, they offer, as you can expect, better performance at lower prices compared to the more flagship Ryzen AI 300 CPUs they had up to this point. However, it doesn't stop there, because they also announced the Ryzen AI Max SKUs for laptops as well, going above and beyond what just the regular Ryzen 9s offered in that segment right now. These things, codenamed Strix Halo with their AI Max 395 serving as the flagship over there, beat out pretty much everything as you can imagine, including AMD's other offerings, beating out Intel by several 100%, or at least in all of the various tests that they were confident enough to actually show, and even won out in several key battlegrounds with the Apple M4. And all of that will be arriving in Q1 as well, which if you don't have a calendar handy, it's this quarter right now. But wait, I feel like there's something missing here. Oh wait, yeah, graphics cards. They did not mention anything about Radeon graphics cards, despite us getting so many brand new leaks of the RDNA 4-based RX in 9070 that everyone would have pretty bet on that it would be at CES, but nope, not even an utterance of that. So it looks like Nvidia, who will have the presentation later today, and then also Intel will be the kings of graphics cards going into 2025. Isn't that weird? So definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our coverage from the Nvidia keynote, which will be happening later today. If you're traveling abroad and need a cheap data plan, then nothing beats AlloSim, and it can be even cheaper if you use the code of RUNNER for $3 off. Meaning you can get a week's worth of data for your travels for as little as $1.50. And while you're at it, why not make use of Hush's excellent lifetime phone number deal, offering a foreign phone number for just $25 for life. So check these out down in the video description below. Maybe check out our Patreon as well, plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Just Rage, Ella Vroniak, Badr Voka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, and Level Up.